Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a new unboxing. This one is actually from Riddle Oil. And Riddle Oil was one of the options in the Fab Fit Fun box this season for summer 2020. And unfortunately, I did not receive that option. Fab Fit Fun chose the last 3 items in your box and I did not receive the Riddle Oil, but I was intrigued and read so many good things about it. I decided to order some for myself. So here we go. I'm going to open it up and let's see what's inside. Here it is. I ordered the sample kit so I could try out all of the different scents of the Riddle Oil they offer and then decide from there which larger item I'd like to buy. So let's see what they are. Here they are, 7 different scents from Riddle Oil. So I'm going to try them all out. Let's see what we have. The first one is named Poppy. Ooh, I like that. Comes with a little roller ball. The next one is Santal, or in the South, Santal. And this one has more of a woodsy scent. The next one is Muse. Ooh, this one is strong, floral, gardenia, plumeria. I don't know, but I love this one. Is totally, definitely my favorite so far, Muse. The next one is Sphinx. I can't really place Sphinx. The next one is the original, and this is the one that they put in the Fab Fit Fun box. I actually really like this one. The next one is called X. Smells much better than my X. This is definitely my favorite X. No, I do. This one's good. I like this one. And the last one is Voyeur. Ooh, I love this one too. And this one smells like a fancy perfume. Okay, from my first impressions, oh man, I think, so I kind of, as I was testing them out, put them in 2 piles. The ones that I loved and the ones that were not my favorite. So the ones that were not my favorite, Santal and Sphinx, these are probably more, they're less floral, more woodsy, or just I couldn't place it. So probably am not going to order these again, but I actually loved all of these. After making my own opinions from checking out each of these scents, I decided to go online and see what riddleoil.com had to say about each of their scents. So the original is their first and most popular, and it is subtle and clean. So I would definitely agree with this. It is very mild. It is probably the mildest one in this sample set. The next one, Santal, they said is very popular amongst both men and women. It is a spicy, woodsy, crisp scent. So they use a lot better adjectives than I did when I was trying to describe them. Muse is the next one, and they said it is playful and will immediately make you smile. And again, I love this one. I believe I said it was floral, and the notes that they use in this one, it's peach, coconut, peony, and magnolia. So, oh, I love this one. Muse, definitely one of my favorites. The next one, Poppy, is orange blossom and lemon are combined for an instant energy boost. This one is milder than Muse, so it's more of a subtle scent. The next one, X, has a deep rose and leather notes. It's that leather note that I couldn't quite place my finger on last time. They describe this as seductive and sophisticated, and I would agree. Sphinx is Egyptian musk and sandalwood. This one is not as strong as some of the others as X. This is more of a gentle scent. The last one is Voyeur. It's a stronger scent than some of the other ones. They call this the perfect vanilla. It's got vanilla, sensual amber, and sandalwood. They describe this one as inviting, warm, and sexy. Again, that is my Riddle Oil Sample Pack. They do offer a variety of items. They have the sample kit, they have larger items, they have layering products, they have face oils, candles, all sorts of things. I love that Riddle has a sample pack so you can try all of the different scents. After another round of checking them all out, my favorites are Muse and Voyeur. These scents are a little stronger than the others and floral, and I love these. So I'm probably, after I run through all of these, going to order a regular size of one of these. And if you use Riddle Oil or different products or have a favorite scent, please let me know. I'd love to hear about it. Please leave it in the comments below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.